Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Emptying your trash folder in Yahoo Mail is a quick process that helps you manage your storage space efficiently. When you delete an email, it stays in the trash folder for 30 days before Yahoo removes it automatically. If you want to clear it out sooner, you can do it manually on your computer or your mobile device. On a desktop computer, log into your Yahoo account in any web browser. Look at the left-hand sidebar where all your folders are listed. Find the folder labeled Trash near the bottom of that list. When you move your mouse cursor over the word Trash, a small icon shaped like a trash can will appear. Click that trash can icon once to trigger the cleaning process. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you are sure you want to permanently delete all messages. Click the button that says OK to finish the job. If you are using the Yahoo Mail app on your smartphone, the steps are just as easy. Open the app and tap on the mailbox icon at the bottom of the screen to see your folders. Select the trash folder from the menu. Look for the specific option that says Empty Trash or click the icon that looks like a garbage bin. Confirm your choice when the app asks you. Once you do this, all the messages in that folder are gone forever and cannot be recovered. Regularly clearing this folder keeps your account organized and prevents your storage limit from being reached. This simple task ensures your email runs smoothly every single day.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.